Let's understand user-defined routes in this video. User-defined routes are custom routing configurations that you, as a network administrator, set up to control the flow of traffic within your Azure Virtual Network. By default, Azure automatically creates system routes for each subnet, but with UDRs, you can customize these routes to meet specific requirements. Why use user-defined routes? Let's unpack few reasons why UDRs are beneficial and often necessary. UDRs give you the flexibility to direct traffic through specific network appliances like a firewall or network virtual appliance for security and inspection purpose. For example, if you want traffic from a subnet to always go through a firewall before reaching its destination, you can route with the firewall's IP address as a next hop. Azure's system routes are designed for general connectivity, but you may need to override these with UDS to achieve specific routing behavior. For instance, Azure's default routing may direct traffic directly to the internet, but if you require all internet bound traffic to go through an on-premise network, a UDR can be created to force traffic to a VPN gateway or an NVA. If you have a multi-tier application, UDRs enable you to define the exact path that traffic should take between subnets or virtual networks, which is often required for network segmentation and security. You might want certain subnets isolated from others, except when traffic is routed through an NVA, and UDRs let you enforce that. Forced tunneling direct internet-bound traffic back to your on-premise network for inspection, rather than letting it exit directly from Azure. This is a common requirement for organizations that must comply with strict data security regulations. To enforce forced tunneling, UDRs are configured to send internet-bound traffic through a VPN gateway or express route circuit. UDRs will also help ensure all traffic within the network is monitored, inspected, or filtered according to your organization's security policies. This is especially critical for compliance-driven environments, as UDRs allow strict enforcement of security controls by defining clear traffic paths. Each UDR entry includes address prefix and next hop type. In this case as well, next hop determines where the traffic goes next, which can be an IP address or another Azure service like virtual network gateway, internet, or virtual network. Imagine a scenario where your company's security policy requires all traffic to pass through a third-party firewall before leaving Azure. With UDRs, you could configure a custom route to enforce all outbound traffic to go through the firewall IP address in a dedicated subnet and ensure that no traffic bypasses your security controls. In summary, UDRs are crucial for organizations that require more control over their network traffic than Azure's default route, especially for enforcing security, directing traffic through specific appliances, or achieving regulatory compliance.